Hello. I'm going to make, or attempt to make, pici, which is sort of long, spaghetti-like thick pasta with a lamb meat sauce. And I'm going to take you on my probably injurious journey. I'm not a cook. I don't have very much in the way of knife skills, so please bear with me. Alright, ingredients. Onion, carrot, celery, the holy trinity, so we'll cut those up very finely and put them into a sofrito, essentially a stir fry with lots of oil for flavouring. And then add in the lamb, cook it down with a little bit of wine in extra virgin olive oil. There's the pici, and we'll have salt and pepper, and we'll have lamb stock. Now the lamb stock I'm going to have to cheat, that's going to come by way of cube. So there we go, the sofrito of celery, onion and carrot. The so-called Holy Trinity is supposed to represent the national Italian flag. It looks a little bit more like the Irish one in fairness. Right, a good glug of olive oil. Just going to cook that down for about 10 minutes or so. Not too far away now. The alcohol cook off. At this stage you're probably wondering, where's the tomato? Well, most meat sauces, you don't actually add tomato. You're supposed to just get the flavour of the meat. So tomatoes aren't added in a lot of meat sauces in Tuscany, Umbria, La Marche, etc. So the kind of wine you want is a good dry wine. Don't scoff it because you just think it's for cooking. It's good enough for drinking, it's good enough for cooking with. Reducing pretty nicely. It's already reduced a good bit, so I'm going to add the lamb stock and cook it down even further. This is cubed lamb stock. I make no apologies. It's very hard to get lamb stock, and I'm not of a mind to make it myself. Now the thing is, most meat sauces you usually let cook down for hours, but we're too hungry for that, so I'm going to put it on a bit of a high heat just to actually get it down a bit, render it down a bit. The good thing about lamb is that it already has a bit of a flavour. It doesn't need to absorb many more flavours from whatever is inside the pot, so it kind of it's suitable for this kind of sauce. Sort of fast cooking rather than slow cooking. I know there are probably several Italian people who are watching this now, if they're watching at all, and are screaming at the TV right now. Stir occasionally. in there. It's reducing nicely enough. So there's no way to go. Well, that's reducing down. I'm going to start on the peachy. See, just essentially slightly thicker spaghetti. The pack says cook for 20 to 25 minutes, so I'm just going to try and get ahead of myself because we are starving. I'll use about half the packet for the pair of us. It seems like probably a big portion if any Italians are watching, but this will be our main course, so to speak, rather than a preview. Break up those nests of peachy a little bit. See, they're already giving it starch in the water, which will be very important later on. It's really reduced down quite nicely. Give sauce a little bit of a taste, just to see if I need to season it in the pan. Probably more than a little. That's going to go everywhere. Don't know if Parmigiano is actually going to enhance the dish any, but it's nice to have options. Season with just a tiny bit of oil. Should be enough for two. Peachy is nearly done. Advance warning, I cannot toss a pan, so there will be lots of awful looking stirring and mixing and flipping. Right, so I've added peachy to the sauce, always pasta to the sauce, never the other way around. I can't toss a pan, stirring like a devil. I also added a good ladle of the starchy pasta water in as well. I'm ready to serve. There you go, Pici al Agnello. Cool.